Hi, welcome to Wily Wednesday. It's just a quick one this week. Just a quick one. There's the remaining butternut squash family just here. These are the ones that have escaped slaughter and eating. If you think I'm going slightly crazy, you need to look at an earlier video and it will explain all. I'm not sure which one it was. Which one was it? I think I was knitting. I think I was knitting in here, which is the dining room. And I was talking about the butternut squash family and I'd named them. Yes, I had. Yes, I'm not crazy. Anyway, this week I'm talking about this wonderful, wonderful white powder. Yes, it's not illegal drugs, don't worry. It's bicarbonate of soda. I know, surprise, surprise, Richard's talking about bicarbonate of soda again. But it's such a wonderful product. Sorry, I've got something in my eye. I wanted to talk about other things that we use it for at the moment and share it with you. For example, this is currently being used to take an unpleasant smell out of the fridge. Paul left a cake in there. Yes, a cake that went off. And I said to him, right, that's it, get some bicarb in there. So he put a bowl of bicarb into the fridge and this will absorb those unpleasant smells. And actually it's done its job already. It's a day, 7 hours or so later and the smell is gone. So it absorbs unpleasant smells. Also, the other way I'm using it at the moment is I put a tablespoon, a heaped tablespoon, in every wash. Yes, I know, it's amazing, isn't it? What it acts as is a water softener because we're in a hard water area and I don't particularly want to continue to buy water softening tablets, a well-known brand beginning with a C. I don't want to continue buying that because they cost a fortune. So apparently using bicarb is just as good. A tablespoon in every wash, straight into the drum, will soften the water, enable your soap, your washing powder or liquid, whatever you use, to be doubly effective and more frothy, and give you a brighter, cleaner wash. It's a win-win, isn't it, really? So there we go. I am, what do they say, extolling the virtues of bicarbonate of soda. I'm addicted to it, basically. Yeah. So there you go. Bicarb. The wonders of bicarb. I better pop this back in the fridge to finish its job finally. And then what I'll do is probably use it to clean the sink. Ah, I know. Especially those of you who've got Belfast sinks like we have, and you don't want to use anything like bleach on them. This, straight in the sink, with a little pad, will get it clean with a good bit of work, good bit of scrubbing. It will work like a scouring powder, basically. And it will also freshen the drain too. Multiple uses. So this is a multiple... I was going to say something else then, but I won't. A multiple usage video of bicarb. There you go. See you very soon. Bye for now. Over and out.